Everyone, do you want to learn how to screen record using the OBS Studio for free without paying any money for it or without any monthly subscription? Then you are at the right place for that. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to screen record your entire screen using the OBS Studio step by step and very easy. Very most importantly, this is very good for beginners. So stick with me and follow around and see how I do this. So the first thing you want to do is you visit the official website of the OBS Studio, and this is how the interface of the official website look like. Okay, so what does OBS stand for? This is what OBS stands for, Open Broadcaster Software. That's basically the meaning of OBS. So right now guys, this is how the interface looks like. So you just quickly head towards the download, and then as you can see, we have they have Windows, MacOS, and also Linux. So depending on the operating system I'm using Windows. I'm downloading the Windows version of the software. So let's scroll down, and here you can see the download installer button, and now you can see it's downloading, and it takes a bit. It's downloading, and now we double click it. Now it's prompting me, so I'm clicking on the yes button. Now it says welcome to OBS Studio 32.0.4 setup. This setup will guide you through installing OBS Studio and so forth and so on. We are not going to read all that. So what you want to do is click the next button and also the next button, and here you can choose your choice of where you want to save the application or the software. So in my case, I'm leaving it on my program files OBS Studio. Okay, so I'm going ahead to click on the install button, and here it's going to take a while, but stick around with me and see how everything goes step by step. And trust me, by the end of this video, you are going to learn how to completely screen record your audio as a tutorial YouTuber or a beginner content creator for free. It's for free, so stick around with me and make sure you watch this video till the end of it. Extracting is doing its thing right now. So you choose here view release note or anything. I choose launch OBS Studio 32.0.4. I click finish, and now the software is going to launch on my system, and you will soon see how it looks like. So the first thing you see when the software opens is auto configuration wizard, as this is to tell you to choose one of these options depending on the type of content you are going to use it for. So we are using it for recording the screen only, so in that case we choose the optimize just for recording. I would not be streaming option. Okay, you can also choose the optimize for streaming recording is secondary, or I will only be using the virtual camera. As I said earlier, we are choosing the optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming because we are doing the screen recording. So we choose that, and then we click on next, and then here is for the video settings. For me, I don't do anything here, I just leave it like that, but depending on your system, again, you can choose the different display type. Okay, the FPS also, I also leave it same. I don't do anything here, but you can see the other options that they have. You can choose the 30, 60, or current 30. Okay, but I just leave it. And the next thing you want to do is click the next, and then here apply settings. So let me zoom it, and then you see it well. So this is how the interface looks like, guys. Trust me, it looks a bit confusing, but then it's very easy to navigate through and do everything as easy as possible if you follow this step by step. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is add your scene. This is the scene, and the scene means what you are going to record. Okay, so you double click or you click on the add button, and then you see here add scene. Okay, so the add scene, you can write anything that will make you remember easily. In my case, I'm just writing the scene, because that's what I think I'll remember easy. And then you come to the source, and then you click on it, and then you add source, and here you are choosing what to record, what to show on your screen. Okay, so how to record it and also what to show on your screen. So what you choose first, you can choose anything first here. You can choose the display capture. The display capture means you are showing everything on your screen, and the windows is you are showing the window you are in, just the window you are in. So in this case, let's choose the display capture, and you can also write anything that you easily remember here, but I leave it same as display capture because I do remember it easily. I click on OK, and here I just leave it like this. You can also choose it yourself, the choice of what you want. I also leave it like this and click OK. And the next thing you want to do is choose the audio input. The audio input is either you are using your microphone to do this recording. Right now I'm using my microphone, or I can also use my system's microphone. So you click on the audio input and then you add the name you remember. I leave it like that, and then you choose here either default or this. So I'm choosing this. I click OK. Right, and now we are almost getting done with our OBS Studio settings. Okay, here it says this again. We do it again, add